Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Once Upon a Garden. My son Riley started to help out in our garden when he was about 14 months old. He is 7 years old now. In this video, I'll show you what he can do in the garden. I will also talk about the benefits of gardening for children. After March break, the schools were closed due to the pandemic. To engage Riley, I spend some time with him in the garden every day. He helps water vegetables, dig soils, make chalices for cucumbers, collect seeds, harvest vegetables, and build vermicompost. Gardening has many benefits for the kids. First, it provides the opportunity for children to be outdoors, thus helps reduce their screen time. Second, gardening helps children understand the importance of taking care of the environment. Third, gardening exposes children to basic science concepts such as seed sprouting, pollination, insects, etc. Some research suggests that children who are exposed to gardening seem to gain greater achievement in science. Fourth, gardening helps children become more responsible. In addition, gardening helps children develop healthy eating habits. Children who are involved in growing their own vegetables show more interest in eating them. Last but not least, gardening also helps family members spend quality time together. Happy gardening with your children! I hope you find today's video helpful. Please subscribe, like, and comment on it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.